Why you should take this shot every morning. Sometimes we just don't want to get out of our beds in the morning. Waking up early can really suck, so I'd like to share a trick to help you start your mornings on the right foot. It's called a ginger shot. This drink is pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. I usually make a big batch on the weekends and keep it in a jar in the fridge for the week ahead. Just a quick note about the recipe: don't take it too seriously. We all have different preferences. I like mine a little more sour. So use however much of each ingredient you think you'll enjoy. Taste as you go. This elixir is the best shot you'll ever take because of its crazy health benefits and energy boost. Ginger supports digestion and immunity. It's also anti-inflammatory and boosts antioxidants. Turmeric is a super spice that's high in antioxidants and supports the immune system. Fresh lemon juice stimulates your digestive tract and adds vitamin C plus more vitamin C from the orange juice. Last but not least, honey is a restorative, antibacterial powerhouse. One shot and your body will instantly wake up. Recipe. What you will need: 4 oranges, 3 lemons. Bits of ginger, pinch of turmeric, add honey. Super duper easy. Juice the oranges, lemons, ginger, and turmeric. Depending on your preferences, add more oranges if you like sweet and citrusy. Use more lemons if you're into the sour stuff. Honestly, just make it to your tastes. Throw in a tad bit of honey before you kick back a shot.